Basically in the bank I look at best services like the customer care, then the fast internet, like the internet banking.
Regardless of the bank convenience, I think the customer care.
Terekayo sente zange eiza bwemba ninagonda okwetagayo obuyambi bwa loan bikeebyo naye nga basobola akola kumpa loan okitegeeza.
The number of people it has, the services it offers,
the charges, the number of ATMs they have.
Njagala withdraw charges nga ziri fair. Njagala nga bank ina ATM card nga ina ne branches nyingi kezwera.
The numbers of people in that bank, because I don't want to go to a bank and I'm making long lines.
The customer service in the bank, like when I enter, how I'm received and how fast they respond to whatever queries I would have.
Minimum balance, the customer care, and the accessibility.
If I have my money there, can I get it in time? Will I be able to get services there and then? Am I able to bank anytime, anywhere I am?
Low interest rates on maybe my account savings.
It's mainly the interest rate.
The rates, how easily I can access my money.
Withdraw, for example, costs involved.
Whereby the security is tight.
Reliable and is accessible.
The charges.
Accessibility, ease of transaction, not a lot of delays.
The monthly charges, its accessibility.
I'll begin with Stanbic, Centenary Bank, and DFCU.
DFCU, Centenary,
Stanbic Bank, DFCU Bank, Centenary Bank.
DFCU, Centenary, and Barclays.
DFCU, Centenary, and Stanbic.
Okay, I'm only using Centenary and Equity. Centenary, then Stanbic, and DFCU.
DFCU, Tanchat, Centenary.
Centenary, Equity Bank, DFCU.
Housing Finance Bank, DFCU Bank, and Barclays Bank.
Equity, Barclays.
Stanbic Bank, then DFCU, Centenary.
Centenary, Stanbic, Post Bank.
Centenary, DFCU and Stanbic.
Stanbic and Centenary.
Standard Chartered Bank, Cairo Bank, DTB.
Stanbic, Centenary, Stanchart.
Centenary, Stanbic.
Equity, Centenary, Stanbic.
Yeah, the overall, I think I'll go with DFCU. It has encouraged the online banking.
DFCU, Wangeri International.
Stanbic, because it has very many branches around the country.
I think it's DFCU. Their charges are low.
Centenary, very fast in their services.
I guess I can only say Centenary. Okay, I can easily access it everywhere that I go.
My overall best is Equity because it has low costs.
It's DFCU. Because like the way they respond to clients, like you can never find a long queue of people waiting for their queries to be solved.
The overall best which I use most is DFCU Bank. I think the customer care is superb.
Is Centenary. Their rates are favorable.
Equity, it simplifies things for me.
The overall best is Centenary. It's because they have very, very low rates on saving.
Centenary. The interest rates are so low.
I would prefer Stanbic. I easily get my pay immediately. They pay, I get it. But for DFC, I have to wait 4-5 days.
Stanbic, it's widely spread.
It is Centenary. Everything is like
Centenary. Good customer care.
Overall best is Equity. They don't have charges.
When you talk about DFCU Bank, the things that come into my mind, I look at the services they offer and also the different accounts that they have.
It's a bank that is competing.
They have a few charges.
I just know it's a bank.
Easy access, ne fair rates.
It has these investment clubs.
They're also easily accessible
everywhere. There's a DFC, you have the DFCU Quick app.
Meet this corporate bank.
Of course, security of my savings.
It's a government bank.
A private banking institution, you know, bank for the corporate, okay? My first bank.
I think they're up there. They're not, I think they're not maybe I'm not their level.
The network for DFC is a bit slow. It's on and off.
We are very proud. Access to credit is difficult.
If I was a Minister of Finance, I would suspend it. It's not user-friendly.
What made me join a DFCU, like I said, It's the online banking.
The DFCU Bank was the easiest. You know, there is a way it renders its services. It was so quick.
Customer care, once you're in DFCU, whether you knew all the staff, you're all welcomed as if you've ever been there.
I was in Crane Bank, so.
One, they were running a promotion at that time. I don't really remember what the promotion was.
And I don't know, DFCU seemed like a nice bank. I just entered it because it was probably the first bank in my way at that time.
To open an account with DFCU, like if I know about them and I really now compare them to other banks and find them like maybe they have the rates.
And
they've not been coming around to advertise and tell us like DFCU, it has this and has this.
If the interest rates went as low as, lower than Equity.
Of course, it has to copy the styles of Equity Bank.
If they change and they come to my level.
Branch-wise, it has a number of them, because me, that is very crucial.
I think the monthly charges, to me, it's my big deal.
I would go back and open, if at all, maybe the charges, maybe there's some promotional stuff, maybe the account, different types of account.
DFCU, what does better than other banks, I think it's the way they give out their loans. It's fast and it's more convenient.
Everywhere you go to find a branch for DFCU.
Maybe their charges are low, it's fast.
First of all, it welcomes its customers. It has promotion programs,
I've seen in the papers the advertising, they're open 24/7.
Is the access?
Their customer service, first of all. Their rates, they have good rates. I think also their stability in the market.
The customer care, like immediately you go there, they work on you and you're done.
Recently, of course, they brought in that 24-hour banking.
They have several banking points and automated machines.
My experience with DFCU Bank, it has not been bad.
I'm so much into Visa, okay? Online payments, online banking, access to my money wherever I go. But I was so frustrated.
You can find it in all the parts of Uganda.
In case you wanted a document from them, they are a bit quicker.
I opened an account with them, but then they didn't take it serious.
Since like last month, they pay you, the money really delays.
There is literally a season where it was very difficult to access funds using ATM points of DFCU.
It also has problems like there are few ATMs.
The process of getting out from DFCU, even though I was from Crane Bank, got so complicated, and when it became so complicated, I couldn't go on with DFCU.
If I'm to give a percentage on performance, I would give it a 7 out of 10.
I've seen so many cases on social media, people complaining about DFCU, people complaining customer care. You people, you are dying.
Many banks, they try to have the Montuawan's person and then the corporate people, which element I kind of not see in DFCU.
Other banks? Can I talk of Equiduka?
The charges of Equity are better.
Is the loans in Centenary banks?
Centenary probably has the lowest rates as per now, so people would actually join it because of that.
If maybe it's a family, I would say DFCU is among the kids that is either liked or not liked. It's in between there.
I would say right now it takes like that slow child.
Being honest, being realistic, being accurate.
I think I would say it's welcoming.
Willing to help and friendly.
Okay, I would say let them continue with the advertising of online banking.
They should increase on the number of people on the counters.
So if I want my ATM card with the improving technology, why don't you give me my ATM in one day? And again, why one day? Just few hours. Give me my ATM and I start banking.
Just improve all the services, I should say.
Like, yeah, they should have at least more branches, more outlets.
My only complaint, it's their rates and maybe their bank charges. They also just keep growing each and every day, and I think that's unfair to the people who are already banking there.
Their checks, let them, because we're paid by check, so let them improve on how fast they mature.
Why don't you be innovating? And I would like to hear about things like DFCU Duka.
They need to come down and know what's happening with the general population, the level of the kind of businesses that ordinary people do, and start to design products that suit our environment, our economic environment.
I think they only need to improve on their network. Then again, the time taken to issue out the ATM cards, they should also improve on that. They really take long even when they are doing replacements. They need to improve on those too.